And hey, have you ever been in a position where you set goals at the end of one year or resolutions or something, got through a little bit of the year and then didn't hit your goals? Has that been something that's ever happened to you? Because if it is, there's a couple things that we want to do. And so this year we are going to have a goal setting workshop on December 31st. We're going to go from 10:30 to 1 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. And we're just going to do 5 goals. These are going to be personal goals, goals that you want to achieve. Now, one of the things, this is kind of funny me saying this because when I think about setting goals and goal setting workshops and making sure we set goals, I have a firm belief that if you focus on your goals, you will struggle. If you get during the year and the greatest thing that you do is continue to focus on your goals and hitting those goals, you're going to struggle, because what we need to do is focus on some systems and some ways of achieving the things that you want to happen. And then we get to too many. We start, I've been through so many of these SWOT analysis and strategic planning, and those are for like business and the things you're doing on a big basis. I want you to do 5 goals, right? 5 goals. We're going to hit them. We're going to talk about what to do to hit them, and we're going to make sure that you are successful in 2025. So we're going to talk about like personal development. What are you going to do about personal development? We're going to talk about health and wellness. That would be a second category. We're going to talk about finances and what's your financial goal for the year. We're going to talk about relationship goals. And then we're going to talk about spiritual goals and purposing what you want to get done in those 5 areas. That's it. We're going to have a goal. We're going to have, the things that you can control. So, when we talk about what you can control and what you can't control, that's all going to be part of the goals that we set. And so by the end of that time that we have together, you will have 5 goals that if you follow the steps of what you need to do, you will hit those goals and you will be excited about 2025. All right. So the way that you sign up is you go to BrianEArnold.com, Brian, BRIANE, as in Edward, BrianEArnold.com/2025 goals. Make that lowercase, 2025 goals, BrianEArnold.com/2025 goals. And we will see you at the goal setting workshop. An hour and a half on December 31st. You're not going partying out on New Year's Eve anyways, not that early. Let's get this done, and we will talk with you soon.